Good afternoon, folks. It's Paul from Speed Superbikes here in Exeter. I've chosen to do this video outside today, one because it's a glorious day, but also I think it'll be the only thing that'll do justice to the amazing paint on this. We've got an absolutely beautiful Harley Davidson Sportster 883 with one-off custom paint in that lovely blue metallic. So obviously I think it'll do inside, it really doesn't do the paint justice. So I'll go through the bike with you. So the basics, as I said, Harley Davidson Sportster 883. 2009, ridiculously low mileage, just over 7,700 miles. 8 owners from new. We do have actually a replacement hand and service book with the bike. Didn't come in with the book, but we've actually got a genuine Harley Davidson one, which will go out with the bike, and obviously it will probably have a new MOT when it leaves us as well. So obviously the heart of any Harley, and obviously the Sportster, is an absolutely stunning V-twin engine. So believe it or not, incredibly low maintenance because you've got hydraulic lifters on the Evo style engine with push rods. So really not a great deal to do. You're talking about screwing an oil filter on once a year. The belts are pretty much maintenance free. So a lot of people think, running a Harley be expensive. Probably one of the cheapest bikes you can actually run. So again, I'd say hydraulic valve lifters, push rod engine, air cooled, fuel injected, so nice and simple. Then with the benefit, as I say, of belt drive. So I'll go around the bike with you. Try and remember some of the extras. There are a lot of extras on this bike. For a start, it's got the mini ape bars on there rather than the straights on there. You've got the standard alloy cowl, and then you've got the little tool roll on the front. And again, this hopefully you'll be able to see, and it'll do it justice. You've got this beautiful metallic paintwork with the flame sort of graphics on there, and if you can see it, you've got the sort of hologram skulls in there as well. The bike does come with a full Vance and Hines, I believe it's called long shot exhaust system on there as well. Obviously in lovely condition. And then it's got a custom aluminium air breather on there as well. So yeah, just lovely all round. Again, I'll try and say do this paintwork justice. Hopefully it shows up, but it is absolutely stunning. Obviously gunfighter style seat on there as well, and obviously matching paint on the side panels and the rear guard. And again, hopefully you can make out the sort of hologram skulls in there and on the back. Side mounted plate, and that's it there. So, but whatever you look, the bike is just generally in lovely condition all round. Polished engine casings, so again, basically just a bit of Solvo or alloy cleaner on there, and they come up like chrome, except you don't have the issues with chrome peeling obviously, so they will look good forever basically. Custom foot pegs on there as well. Did forget to mention, obviously that's a King Sportster tank, so the standard Sportster comes with a very small peanut tank. It looks great, but obviously you don't get much range out of it, so this has been upgraded to the King Sportster tank, so it looks super, but obviously you'd get a decent amount of range out of the bike as well. Obviously sounds like a Harley should do with those Vance and Hines pipes on there. So obviously full information of the bike are on our website, speedthrills.co.uk. You can call for further information on Exeter 01392 211 246. And hopefully if you found this video useful, please feel free to give us a like and maybe even subscribe. Thanks again for watching.